Want to hide your location on an iPhone without anyone knowing? Here are 3 ways. First and easiest method is airplane mode. Swipe down to open the control center. Next, tap the airplane icon to disable all signals. Remember, airplane mode also cuts off calls and texts. Your last location won't update until you turn it off. For a more permanent solution, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then go to Privacy and Security for more options. Select Location Services from the list provided. Finally, toggle it off to stop all tracking. This means you will not be visible in messengers, Find My, and other apps using your location. Selective sharing method. This method is useful when you want to maintain privacy from specific contacts only, without disabling location services entirely. Open the Messages app on your iPhone. Find the contact you want to stop sharing with. Tap their name or the info button, then proceed. Finally, select Stop Sharing Location for that person. Choose the method that fits your needs best. Subscribe for more useful tips.